Tonight, since it's so hot out, we're making a bacon broccoli salad. To do this, you need 3 pieces of cooked bacon, or you can use Bacos or just crumbled bacon bits if you have those already, a clove of garlic, a can of sliced, drained water chestnuts, 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 2 teaspoons of cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, about 3 tablespoons of dried cranberries, and 4 cups of finely chopped broccoli. Now, like I said before, this is super fast. You're going to want to add your garlic, mayonnaise, sour cream, apple cider vinegar, and sugar. So whisk all of this together. Once you have this whisked together, you're going to add your 4 cups of broccoli, followed by water chestnuts, crumbled bacon, cranberries, and then ground pepper to taste. Stir this all together, and then it'll be ready to serve. You're all set. Serve and enjoy.